Manila Hotel waiters.
International Philippines 2023. Okay, now while the girls are preparing for the backstage, what we should know about the behind the scenes. Come on, let's go. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So this is where the magic actually happens. So as you can see, all of our makeup artists and hairstylists have gone through a lot of things today, fixing our beautiful girls tonight that you will be showing and seeing more of tonight. But now, let's get one of our girls, or maybe our makeup artists, to interview. Come. Here.